Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to deposit a check on Credit Karma. So the process is very easy to do. Just follow this step-by-step guide and you will be able to do it. The first thing you need to do is just open up your Credit Karma website or app and then log in your account. So keep in mind that for scanning your deposit check you need to open Credit Karma app. So simply open it and from the app's main dashboard go to your Credit Karma money spent account. After this, look for an option labeled deposit check or the mobile check deposit. Click on that, and once you do that, follow the instruction to take a clear photos of the front and back of the check. Be sure to sign the back of check as required. After this, enter the check amount and confirm all the details are correct before submitting. So once your check has been submitted, you will get confirmation in app. Processing time varies, but the funds are typically available within 1 to 5 business days depending on the check amount and other factors. So for faster deposits, make sure to check that check is properly signed and the photos of check are clear. So that is how you can deposit a check on Credit Karma. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.